Hello everyone, we are Team Nari and today we are here to perform the first TPO activity which is introductory session. First of all, I am going to introduce myself and then the other team members will. So let's start. Greetings to everyone. I am Ms. Neha Sanjay Gore and I am from Nasik. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad, and I am third year student. I've completed my SSC from St. Francis High School, Nasik, with percentage of 89, and I have completed my diploma in Information Technology with an aggregate percentage of 94.6. I have done an internship in digital marketing from WOW Infotech Nasik, which has helped me to understand different aspects of digital marketing. Currently, I'm pursuing an artificial intelligence course, which is organized by Microsoft. My diploma final year project was an e-mentoring system. And currently, I'm working on Brentford prediction system, which is developed in artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'm familiar with three languages, that is English, Hindi, Marathi, and I have the basic knowledge of data structure, computer network operating system, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and I'm familiar with programming languages like C, C++, Java, and Python. I'm an extrovert and hardworking person with communication skill, leadership quality, and teamwork spirit. My hobbies are reading, drawing, sketching, and listening to music and cooking. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon to one and all. First of all, thank you so much for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. I am Anushka Visapure. I came from Sangli district of Maharashtra. I have completed my HSC and SSC with 74.62 and 91% respectively. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in third year from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I am good in C, Java, cloud computing, DBMS, and DevOps. As I greatly interested in cloud and DevOps, I have done few projects by integrating these two technologies. First one is configuration of multi-node Kubernetes multi-node cluster over AWS using Ansible, and second one is deploying the static app over the Elastic container service of AWS. Along with the technical knowledge, I have good skills in management and leadership. I have worked as a technical volunteer at Linux World during summer program, where I solved the technical as well as management issues of 20 plus learners. Also, I have worked as a volunteer at IIC community, which helps people to find the resources near to them during the COVID. I have been a class representative at Avishkar during my first year, and currently I'm working as a content technical aptitude team head at aptitude portal of our college. I'm talking about my hobbies. I love cooking, listening music, playing kabaddi, and share my knowledge with the others. My passion is to put my hands-on skill and my technical knowledge, which I learned throughout till to build a better product. This is all about myself. Thank you so much.
Patna.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Akanksha Zamdade. I am from Y district of Satara and currently I am pursuing my BTech degree in IT from Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my SSC from Bharat Vidyalaya Y with 96.4% and HSC from Kishangarh Mahavidyalaya Y with 83.76%. Along with my academics, I have done some uh, training and certifications from Linux World as well as my college in the field of AI, ML, cloud computing, Docker, Ansible, Flask, and web development, etc. And during this training, I have done multiple projects such as multi-node Kubernetes cluster, then automation of website deployment using Ansible, and also I have done one project which was Python-based menu, which gave us some functionalities of automating AWS cloud. And also I have done this year's mini project which was handwritten word recognition using these technologies. I have good knowledge of programming languages such as C, C++, Java, and Python. And my hobby is to listening to music. And at last, thank you all for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Hello everyone, I am Samiksha Kolle. I am currently pursuing BTech in Government College of Engineering, Karad, and I am from Nasik. I have done my schooling from Nasik, and I am a hardworking and philosophic person who loves to learn new things and apply those somewhere. And talking about my technical skills, I'm good at, I'm a 5-starer at Python, C++, and SQL. And I have relevant skills in operating system, computer networking, database management system, and data structure and algorithms. And along with that, I'm a data science enthusiast. So I have data wrangling, web scraping, data mining, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, and NLP. NLP skills I have, and along with that, I have done 2 of my internships. One is from SmartNover at SmartNover, wherein I learned deep learning concepts and apply and have done some of the projects over there. And after the second internship was in the data science at the DevTown, wherein I have built we worked on a chatbot project for the DevTown startup. So this is all about my internships, and I have done some of my projects on my own, and I have deployed them on the cloud. I have knowledge about and hands-on experience about AWS and Google Cloud, and I have deployed those models on Heroku and Streamlit. And along with that, talking about my extracurricular activities, I am a yoga club co-coordinator, wherein I have arranged 3 of the workshops for mental well-being and physical well-being of the parents of the students and the teachers also. And wherein I learned to good relationship, how to build good relationship with others, and how to publicly speak with others. And along with that, we have Astrotech group wherein I shared the technical skills that are needed, or the relevant skills that are needed for getting into the astronomical, or the ISRO, NASA, and JAXA, about all the technologies I shared over there. And I have good community with that also. And also I'm a AOL volunteer, so in that I used to manage the courses schedules, wherein I learned public speaking and and also I love to share my knowledge with others, so I've written some of the Medium blogs on machine and deep learning. Talking about my hobbies, I love to read books. I read some of the astronomical and mythological books, and I love to drive, painting, dancing, and crafting. Thank you. This is all about myself.
Hello everyone, I am Ankita, and today I am here to talk about the introduction of myself. So first of all, I would like to thank you all for giving me a chance to introduce myself. I am Ankita, and currently I am pursuing BTech degree from Information Technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad, which specializes in information technology. I have completed my SSC from Bharat Vidyalaya Vai and HSC from Kisavin Mahavidyalaya Vai. In 10th, I scored 93.60%, and in 12th, I got 83.46%. Along with my engineering, I have done the courses like machine learning, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, which has helped me a lot to develop this year's project, which was handwritten character recognition. I was also involved in the activities of Linux World, in which I have learned and implemented concepts like Linux operating system, databases, clouds like Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and AWS. And I have also great knowledge of Ansible automation tool and Terraform. I am also well versed with the programming languages like Java, C++, C, Python, and I like to read books. I specifically prefer to read books which are of category fictional and self-development books, I'm currently reading Clara and the Sun book, and in past I've read the books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Into the Forest, which has helped me a lot to develop and grow myself. Thank you.
I have completed my SSC from Vithamata Vidyalaya Karad and HSC from Ligade Patil Junior College of Science Karad. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree from Government College of Engineering Karad. I have good knowledge of C++, Python, machine learning, and ethical hacking. I have worked on many projects, which is integration of machine learning, Streamlit, and Docker. I had taken part in Ideathon, where we worked on farming app and learned so many things related to databases, navigation system, and Android Studio. Other than academics, I like to read books and listen to the music. Thank you.
This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, greetings to everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Prajakta Ghadge. I'm from Sangola district, Solapur. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech in IT at Government College of Engineering, Karad. I have completed my schooling from New English School, Sangola with 81% in SSC board exam. I have completed my diploma in computer engineering from Shivaji Polytechnic College, Sangola with an aggregate 94% in last year. I've done my internship in Android app development at WebMaps Pandharpur. I have done project of mobile shop management system using PHP, CSS, and uh, MySQL. Also, I have done project on Android platform, which is mobile application for vegetable and fruit shop. About my skill, I have a good knowledge of some programming language like C, C++, Java, Python. Also, I am familiar with the concept of data structure, OOP, DBMS. And about my hobbies are listening to music, cooking, and crafting. That's all about me. Thank you.
It's my pleasure to introduce myself. Hello everyone, I am Akanksha Sutar. I belong to Kolhapur. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in Information Technology. I have done my schooling from Shia High School Junior College, CA, and Diploma in Computer Engineering from Ashokram Mani Polytechnic, Wardha. I have consistently performed well in my academics. I got 90% and 93.77% in my school and diploma, respectively. Now my current CGPA is 9.22. Throughout my academics, I have done various projects. One major project I want to mention here, that is Trustworthy Forest Fire Detection System using IoT, which was also get nominated for MSBT's national level project competition. I am fond of drawing sketches, writing poems, doing cooling arts, and making posters. And nowadays, I have picked new one, that is mandala art. Along with that, I have done one internship in Python with IoT. And I got selected for a zonal round of Seek for India Maharashtra edition. Along with that, I have secured first rank in more than 20 paper presentation competitions and more than 5 national level poster presentation competitions. Overall, I'm very self-motivated person and I love to learn and explore new and different things, and I'm very optimistic in tough times. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is Jyoti from Latur. First of all, I want to thank everyone to giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. So my name is Jyoti Ashok Pawar. I am from Latur district of Maharashtra. I have completed my schooling from Latur itself with 86% and I have completed my diploma with 91% in information technology stream. Currently, I am pursuing BTech in IT at Government College of Engineering, Karad. While completing diploma, I have completed one training and internship at Orange VCube that was in web development with Python. And I have completed one project also that was a website for city services which provides services to everyone from city. And currently I'm working on a project which is AI and ML based. It's a rainfall prediction. And I'm familiar with C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, MySQL, Oracle, and that's it. And I have some web development. I have completed some web development courses from online platforms, and I got certificates from there also. And coming to my hobbies, I like to cooking. I love crafting, and that's it from my side. Thank you.
This meeting is being recorded.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Pratiksha Pandit Gunda. I am from Solapur, Maharashtra. I have completed diploma in computer engineering from Swedish College of Engineering, Pandharpur with 95%. I have secured 91% in SSC board. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree in information technology from Government College of Engineering, Karad. As an information technology field used in every other fields, so I have invested my last 5 years to develop my skills and knowledge about the technologies. My technical skills are C, C++, PHP, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and MySQL. I am also familiar with blockchain and web development technology. Recently, I have completed an internship in web I have learned how actual production cycle works. I have also worked on the projects like stock management system, traveling website, and NFT marketplace using blockchain technology. My strengths are I'm self-motivated, disciplined, and focused person. I can acquire any environment easily. I always try to upgrade myself. I'm very enthusiastic to learn about the technologies. I like to read motivational books. I like to watch science fiction movies. Thank you.